Have you ever pondered on the top-notch combat knives utilized by the US military? This very moment we're immersing ourselves into the riveting universe of tactical blades, kicking off with an outstanding legend. As we delve into the magnetic sphere of military standard knives, it is inconceivable to sidestep the legendary Ka-Bar USMC Fighting Knife. Tailored particularly for the United States Marine Corps, this blade transcends being a mere tool. It's an emblem, an icon that surpasses time and space. Its inception in the midst of the Second World War has left a permanent stamp in chronicles of military history. The Ka-Bar USMC Fighting Knife is celebrated for its enduring durability and adaptability. Its unbending blade, crafted from 1095 Crovan steel, is not only sturdy but also extremely adaptable. Be it cutting, slicing or thrusting, this blade is engineered to execute superbly in any combat circumstance. But what's a top-tier blade without a dependable handle? The Ka-Bar USMC doesn't let down. Its handle, built from stacked leather, speaks volumes about its reliability. This solid grip delivers not just comfort, but also a secure hold, even in the turmoil of warfare. It's a handle that resonates resilience, reverberating the spirit of the Marines it was fashioned for. The design of knife isn't confined to functionality. There's a unique aesthetic charm to it, a fascination that arises from its rich history and the tales of bravery associated with it. It's a blade that subtly narrates tales of courage, of battles triumphed and forfeited, of heroes who brandished it with honor. The Ka-Bar USMC Fighting Knife is not merely a fighting instrument, it's a legacy, a saga that has survived the passage of time. Its iconic stature is well-deserved, having demonstrated its value in countless battlefields from the Pacific's jungles to the Middle East deserts. The Ka-Bar USMC Fighting Knife, an undisputable legend of combat blades, acclaimed for its reliability and endurance, has been serving the US military for prolonged periods, validating its prowess on numerous battle terrains. The scene is currently empty, so let's begin with our narration. When it comes to resilience in the face of adversity, none stands out more than the Gerber StrongArm. This is not an exaggeration when we look into the technical prowess and tactical innovation incorporated into each Gerber StrongArm knife. This is more than just a knife, it's a symbol of endurance and resilience. Its full-tang fixed-blade design is a strategic choice made for military use. In situations where failure isn't an option, this knife proves to be unwavering and prepared. The full-tang design unifies the blade and handle into one solid piece, offering optimum strength and dependability. This is the knife you would want when faced with tough situations. The distinct feature of the Gerber StrongArm is its rubberized handle. This feature guarantees an unmatched grip, a pivotal feature in high-pressure situations where a slip could spell catastrophe. The diamond texture not only enhances the appeal of the knife but also provides a tactical edge, securing a firm grip under all conditions, whether dry, damp or gloved. Also, the versatility of the Gerber StrongArm is limitless. It's not just a battle knife. It's a tool. It can easily cut through thick vegetation during a jungle patrol and can also be used for preparing food in survival circumstance. The Gerber StrongArm adjusts to the situation, making it a reliable ally in the face of uncertainty. From the mountains of Afghanistan, through the jungles of Vietnam, to the deserts of Iraq, the Gerber StrongArm has repeatedly demonstrated that it can endure the most severe conditions while maintaining its sharpness and functionality. This knife doesn't merely function, it excels, providing dependable service when it's required the most. Essentially, the Gerber StrongArm encapsulates essence of resilience. It's a knife that doesn't give up, that to fail. It's a testament to the tenacity of its handlers, a representation of strength and resolve. The Gerber StrongArm, crafted for the harshest conditions, lives up to its name, offering a solid, secure grip and adaptability that has proved priceless in countless military operations. Let's ensure we're not talking into nothingness. Is the scene blank? If so, let's fill it with a glimpse of the subject matter. Here we go. We have a combat knife that thrives in survival situations. The Ontario knife company Rat7. This knife is a testament to the adage that the best things are often the simplest. No embellishments, just pure performance and durability. The Rat 7 boasts a robust, full-tang design. Wonder what full-tang means? It simply means that the blade and the handle are made from one continuous piece of metal. This design enhances the strength and durability of the knife, making it nearly indestructible. The Rat 7 stands out with this feature, a trusted tool for survivalists and combat personnel alike. Now let's put the spotlight on the blade. The Rat 7 features a durable 1095 carbon steel blade known for its toughness and edge retention. It's friendly to sharpen, ready to endure heavy use without breaking or chipping. The blade's design is versatile, suitable for a range of tasks from chopping wood to preparing food or demonstrating its power in a combat situation. It's a knife that isn't afraid of a little elbow grease. Let's shift our gaze to the handle, designed for comfort during extended use. The ergonomics of the handle ensure a secure grip, reducing the risk of slippage even when tested in challenging conditions. Whether you're in a humid jungle or a freezing tundra, the Rat 7 is ready to stick to your hand. Long periods of hand fatigue? Not on the Rat 7's watch. The Ontario Knife Company Rat 7 is more than just a knife. It's a survival tool, a steadfast buddy that won't let you down when you need it the most. It doesn't boast in flashy features or aesthetic appeal. It's about performance, durability and reliability. The Ontario Knife Company Rat 7, a sturdy survival tool, has proven its worth in the most challenging conditions, making it a dependable companion in both combat and survival situations. 3 combat knives appear before you, each with its unique features, all designed to serve and protect. Our journey begins with the legendary Ka-Bar USMC Fighting Knife. Watch it shimmer. An iconic, durable and versatile combat knife, it's the go-to choice for the United States Marine Corps, renowned for its steadfast reliability. Next, our gaze shifts to the resilient Gerber StrongArm. This full-tang fixed blade knife is designed for military use and it shines with purpose. With a diamond texture rubberized handle, it gleams under the light, offering a secure grip and is versatile enough for various tactical situations. Lastly, we turn our attention to the robust Ontario Knife Company Rat 7. A survival and combat knife with a full tang and a durable 1095 carbon steel blade, it stands out, built for extended use in challenging conditions. These 3 knives, each unique, share a common purpose. They are designed to serve and protect the brave men and women of the US military. These are the blades that have stood the test of time, glittering with proof of their worth in the hands of the brave men and women of the US military. They are more than just knives, they are symbols of resilience, courage and duty.